Without time, this is how much of your profit you lose, and very fast. There are three critical things in goat farming. Time. Give it enough time, at least 3 years. Health care. Continuous health care, good health care. Your goats will look as good and healthy as the ones you're seeing in front here. Give them good nutrition. If you give time, health care, and good nutrition, you have good healthy goats like the ones in front of us here. Come for goat farming lessons. Malawi 0994648074. We are not profitable at all without time. If you take time out of the equation, you are a losing goat farmer. Your profits go all the way down, although you're spending on good health care and on good nutrition.